Today, I'm going to show you how to rank #1 with GPT 5.6 AI SEO. So GPT 5.6 just dropped today. OpenAI shipped 3 models, Sol, Terra, Luna, and I'm going to show you some of the most powerful ways to get the most out of this to rank #1 based on what's working for me. So for example, if we take a look at this keyword, best AI school community, you can see us ranking #1 with this keyword over here, and also this keyword inside Google AI overviews. You can also see us ranking on Google directly here too, and then also on the first page of Google. So we know how to rank for AI SEO. This is something we're actively testing. And these are the best systems we've set up to get the most out of GPT 5.6 to rank your website and get more traffic. So let's get straight into it. And there's 3 pieces to this system. And the first method is using Google Search Console. So Google already tells you for free every search where your site shows up, the keyword, your position, how many people see it, how many clicked, and the agent OS that we built over here can actually use that system to start ranking your website. So what we can do is we can go into the research section here, we can type in a keyword that we want to find keyword data for, and we can get our agents using GPT 5.6 inside this system to analyze our website and see where we're actually ranking. So for example, you can see that it links to one of our pages here. It shows us how many clicks we're getting and how many impressions we're getting for that keyword and our average position, right? So it gives us all the keyword data we need to make sure that we understand, okay, where are we ranking, and then also how can we rank better in the future. So it's a pretty powerful system. Now, as we go through this, we can actually use this topic to create more content, which I'll come into in a second. And then we have the brains, which is GPT 5.6. You can use Sol, Terra, or Luna, 3 models at 3 different prices. And Luna can find thousands of keywords for you, right? Terra can write the articles. Sol can do the hard part. And then you've got the full machine. So you can research, write, deploy in one dashboard, wired to 5 different websites or to whatever platform you want to create content for. And this is a powerful system to get your website ranking. So let me show you an example. So we can take one of these keywords, as you can see right here, and we could take one of these keywords and use that to create content over here. All we need to do is click a button, and then we can generate 5 articles and deploy them to our website. So it's a really powerful system that we can use for AI SEO to get rankings quickly. We actually have a full free SEO course as well in the description if you want to learn more about this stuff, with 250 free lessons on AI SEO. So that's one method for using this. You can also use the video agent. So if you saw before, we're ranking with videos content. So we can actually plug in a keyword that we want to rank for over here, and the whole agent will do the research, find the avatar, edit it all together, and plug out a video that's fully edited like this once it's completed, with an AI avatar, the full voiceover over the top, the full edited video. Looks beautiful, easy to use, simple, and plugs into our memory system as well. So really powerful. And then what we've also got is we have Codex with GPT 5.6 plugged in over here. And one of the most powerful ways to do SEO is that you could say, okay, build me a certain tool and then create the website for it. And we actually tested this out earlier today. So you see this was done 35 minutes ago. So just as an example test, let's say you wanted to build a racing game and then rank your website for that racing game. Or you can see here that we've got the final outputs and we've got the chat here. So we can see the full page that's been created. And if we open that up, we can see the full website that we've created over here. So it's really good at like creating websites. You can use them for design. You can actually use them to actually build out the output. So this created a full game, as you can see here, using Codex and GPT 5.6. But you can also create the landing page and rank the page as well, right? And it can all run autonomously in the background. So the way that the goal mode works here is that you can give your AI agent a goal. It will loop around and keep working on that task until it's fully completed and deployed locally, as you can see right here. So the great thing about that is that we could say, okay, create content for my website and keep going until you finally start ranking for some content, right? And it would just loop around autonomously. It could run for days without you using GPT 5.6. It's pretty wild like that, especially if you're using Sol. Now, also what you can do over here is everything that you create, you can save inside one workspace. So if you have a look, we've got the game and the page that we've created viewable inside this section. So we never lose it again. We can also open it up in a new tab. So it's really easy to organize. We can see the source code, we've got the preview, and we can copy that or we can save it as well. Same for the website that we created and the game and everything else. And then all of our creations with GPT 5.6 are saved inside one workspace, because the great thing about this is that you can easily preview and come back to things whenever you need to. So we created out another blog post here, as you can see, and then we can come back to that later. So it's a pretty powerful system for doing AI SEO because you can create websites, you can rank them, you can have goal mode working in the background on a loop. You can use the SEO system to find new keywords and then generate content and also deploy it to your website. And you also have the memory system where you can get the context of all of your projects, your clients, your goals, your vision, your voice, your previous content that performed well inside one place. So, for example, we zoom in here, all of these different dots are different memories inside my galaxy. And the agents can use that to create new content. So, for example, it understands everything about my agency over here. And it has this all stored inside one system that we can come back to for SEO later. And the great thing about that is when you're creating content, it's all unique to you. It's all created specifically for you, your business, your voice, your brand, your goals. Really, really powerful stuff. So, the final way that I'd recommend using AI SEO with this is that you can use Hermes agent and then that can create content for you as well. And also, if you're doing link building outreach, you can actually use the outreach tool over here that we've created, and then that can find the leads for you. So you could say, okay, find AI automation related blog that accepts backlinks or guest posts. And then it will find the leads for you. As you can see right here, it will be fully enriched with the AI. You can then add those to your next campaign. Inside the campaign section, you can write the email campaign. And then from here, we can actually start sending the emails too. So we get the agent to manage our inbox, to manage our sent inbox, and to send out emails for link building as well. So it's like a full SEO link building outreach tool that you could also use for lead generation inside one place, which is beautiful. So those are some of the best ways to rank with GPT 5.6 based on the systems we've created. The pipeline is you pull the live search console data, you score every keyword, you route the work to the right model, you write all the content, deploy it to your website, and you're good to go from there. Right, it works in 5 simple steps. So here's an example of what it would look like. And the great thing about that is the data now tells me exactly which keyword is one nudge from number one. We can have Luna find lots of new queries. We can have Terra write the content. We can have Sol build out the websites, depending on how difficult the task is as well. You might also say, is this Agent OS system like difficult to install or set up? So we've actually got over 106 pages of wins and testimonials and people learning and growing with AI automation. Loads of people installing the Agent OS from our community. And for example, like Jacob, he set it up in 10 minutes. David said Julian is cooking harder on his Agent OS than anybody I've seen. You've got, for example, Paul, who actually created it and set up the Agent OS on multiple different devices. So the point here is like, you don't need to be technical. I'm non-technical. Everyone inside this community is non-technical for the most part. And anyone can do this. Anyone can set this up. You might also say, does AI content actually rank? Can it get you good results? So we have multiple websites ranking with AI SEO, as I showed you before, and it works really well, right? Inside this AI SEO solo system that we've got. And if you look at the old way versus the new way for doing SEO, the old way is like you pick keywords on a hunch, or you go after keywords from an AI tool that's like 6 months old. You have a team of writers that are difficult to manage and quite hard to control. And there's no quality control in that process as well. Or if you are quality controlling all the content you create, it's quite messy and time consuming. With this new system, the data is picked from Google Search Console. Your agents create all the content. They follow a very specific skill so that your content is quality controlled and also created at the right standard. And then everything helps you rank number one in an optimized quality controlled way. So if you want our full SEO stack from today, the AI SEO solar system, that's just one part of the agent operating system, which is the dashboard I run everything on, right? So if you join the AI Profit Boardroom, you can get everything I've shown you today, the SEO sections, the Google Search Console data set up, the content pipeline. We have Open SEO set up inside there as well. We have GPT 5.6 with Codex inside there. Every CLI that you already use, you can plug in and you get all sorts of crazy stuff inside there, as well as the memory system as well. So you can get that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. You also might say, okay, SEO is about writing more content, but only if that content is actually good. And that's what our systems help you do. You also might say, okay, I need to rank on Google. I don't want to rank inside AI, but at this point, this whole system optimizes for both of them. And other people might say, well, doing this whole system like takes up a lot of tokens. And actually, if you're trying to limit the number of tokens you use, inside Codex, we allow you to use OmniRoute or HY3. And these are 2 free options you can use for creating content, completely free. And they're easy to set up as well inside the system. And that way, if you run out of tokens or if you don't want to use ChatGPT or you don't have a subscription, no problem. You can use free systems instead. So if you want to get that all, it's inside the AI Profit Boardroom. link in the comments description. This is my AI automation community that helps you learn, scale, and save time with AI automation. Inside the community, you can post questions, get help and support in real time. Inside the classroom, you can get access to all of our best trainings and lessons. If you're interested in AI SEO, we have a full AI SEO automation section over here. And if you're a complete beginner, you can go from beginner to expert over here. And if you want new daily updates on all this stuff, you can get that inside the new daily update section. We have the Agent OS system here. You can see when it was last updated. We update it daily. You get a zip file and a full video tutorial on how to set up. And then we add new daily guides based on what's just dropped and what's actually used for. So this is all inside here. You also get 4 weekly coaching calls where you get help and support in real time. Inside the map, you can meet people locally who are building out with AI agents like you. And if you want to get it all, it's inside the app off the bottom. Additionally, if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, you want to get us to rank your website for you, you can book that in at goldie.agency or click the link in the comments description. And basically on that free SEO strategy session, we'll show you how we take websites from 0 to thousands of traffic per month, how to get more leads from Google, how we rank our own websites. You get a custom tailored SEO game plan for your website. You'll discover the secrets of SEO link building. Or answer any questions you have in real time. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to outrank your competitors with link building. So if you want to get this all completely free, link in the comments description or go to goldie.agency.